Moving on. We're on the internet, so let's move on.
All right, last one.
Make sure the human is following our group. We must keep it alive and safe.
Another dog one.
Yes, this is dog round 2. This is, what was the last dog one? Oh, the Paw Patrol. This one's better. This one's actually it's 3 dog ones.
With the moose.
The moose stomping the dogs.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol, cute dog, and then we must keep the human alive dogs. So they're in a trail here. These are definitely not huskies. These are not sled dogs by any means.
Corgis.
Corgis. They look like corgis.
They look like corgis, and they're
Many corgis.
maybe like 20 or 30? 20? 15. So they travel through the snow, but look at how they all feel the need to
Roll
check.
call.
Yeah, to check back if the human is still there. Even at the very front, the whole way along, they're like, human, that a human there? Yep. You know what you're looking at here, guys?
A few just keep kind of like just leaving the pack.
Yeah, they probably are beside his legs.
Right.
Yeah, his or her legs at the time.
Closer.
Yeah, but it is funny. They just peek out the side. It's not a full turn. They look. They just, yep. Okay, we're still good.
I need some context here.
We're
Why are there so
going.
many corgis?
Yeah. How is that not our first question?
In like the winter trail.
I mean, this person must breed them or train them or something.
Mm-hmm.
Must be. Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty straightforward reason why.
But you know what? I took Kovu on a trail, similar environment like this. It was very deep into the forest. And when I was walking him, somebody walked past and was like, watch out for coyotes and stuff.
Oh, sure.
This
yeah.
would be really scary to just have these many dogs just roaming around.
Because the coyote could just pick one off.
No problem.
Anyway, for those of you who are just listening to this, you have a long line of these small little short-legged dogs that are all referencing back to the camera person at various points to make sure that they're being followed. This is the power of the food drive for dogs. That's all that this is.
Yeah, human, give me food.
Yes, this is a roundabout way of going, am I still going to survive if I lose this person?
Yeah.
I am not going to be hunting my own dinner here. So you better be near me, sir. You upright human thing that somehow figures a way to secure resources on the behalf of both of us.
Yeah.
Or in this case, many of us.
And check every few seconds that they're still there.
Are you still there? Yeah, we still have no context as to how this came to be, but it is indicative, like we mentioned before, of how the internet works. Sometimes we get answers, other times we don't. And it's the best thing and the worst thing about the internet. It's the abundance of information and then the mysteriousness of context.
Yeah.
And we just float through it in an attempt to make sense of whatever we're capable of making sense of in an incredibly limited fashion most times. Trying to separate the real story from the fake one, the real TikTok from the manufactured one, the real cringe from the fake cringe, or the cringe, because maybe it's all cringe.
Yeah.
We'll find out next time. Tomorrow
Tomorrow.
on Lou Later.